Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave. And so let's start today indices video with SP500. In SP500, we count the structure after this brown wave 3 and brown wave 4 towards the brown wave 5 as a green wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we count this green wave 5 as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4 and 5. Or that's also possible. This green wave 5 may complete it as a ending diagonal. If this is the case, then market will go towards the bearish side if market gives us the classic trading level pattern below 65. The start of group 2. If 65 gives us the classic trading level pattern below, then we'll go towards the next point 6000 and then 55 and then 5 as a deep correction. But as of now, we are looking for the bullish side because market gives us the pattern number 3 above 65. Then market go towards the 68 and then market touch this 7000. After this 7000, again market may give us the classic trading level pattern like arrival, reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above 7000 A, B and C towards the next point 72 and then 75 and then 8000 step by step. As of now we are looking for the bullish side as a black wave 1 and black wave 2. We can go directly in lower time frame with this wave B towards the bullish side, but we need to refine our entry in lower time frame. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count the structure after this green wave 4 as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, 3, 4 and 5 of this black wave 1. After this black wave 1, we count this corrective move as a wave A, wave B and wave C, or we can count this move as a A, B and C, W, X and Y. So now we are looking for the bullish side above this 7000 in daily time frame, or in lower time frame we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at again in 7000 like arrival, reaction, first high above level A, B and C, then we will go towards the 72, or we can go directly with the correction like market need to give us the first high above 7000 A, B and C, then we'll go towards the 72 because market already give us the arrival. At this point, market already and cross this 7000, give us the arrival, reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above level A, B and C. Then we'll go towards the bullish side with this wave B. If market give us the classic trading level pattern below 68 in lower time frame 1 hour, then we need to wait for this wave 2 to complete as a sideways as a W, X and Y. But as of now we are looking for the bullish side. Let's check the classic trading level pattern number 1. So in pattern number 1, market need to give us the classic trading level pattern like arrival, a reaction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Then market need to give us the first high above level. First high above level means above 7000. After this first high, we need to wait for the wave A, wave B and wave C Elliott wave correction as a ABC as a WXY. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side, or we need to wait for the next impulsive move and its correction in lower time frame to refine our entry from this wave B to this high to the inner wave B step by step. So we can go directly towards the bullish side with this wave B like this. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side, but we need to refine our entry from this point to this point. In lower time frame, again, if market give us the impulsive move and correction, then we refine our entry from this point to this point. But we can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side towards the 72. If 72 give us the classic trading level pattern, then we'll go towards the 75 step by step. So let's check our next pair, NASDAQ, in daily time frame. So in NASDAQ, market give us the move as a black wave 1, black wave 2. Now we are looking for the brown wave 1 of black wave 3. Market give us the move like green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3, 4 and green wave 5. At this point we can count this move as a green wave 5 or brown wave 1. Then we count this move as a A, B or WXY as a brown wave 2. Then market go towards the bullish side, or that's also possible market go towards the deep correction as a sideways as a B, C, W, X and then Y. If market give us the classic trading level pattern below 25,000, market already give us the move like first low below level. If market give us the corrective move and then again give us the impulsive move towards the bearish side, then we'll go towards the bearish side. But as of now we are looking for the bullish move. If market give us the first high above 26,500, first we need to wait for this 26,000 first high above this level, then we'll go towards the bullish side. So we can count this move as a brown wave 1 at this point. If we remove this black wave 1, then we apply this green wave 5 at this point of this brown wave 1 and brown wave 2, then market ready to go towards the bullish side as a brown wave 3. We can count differently. So as of now we are looking for this move as a black wave 1, black wave 2. Now we are looking for the black wave 3 of this green wave 5. Market give us this move after this black wave 1 as a W, X and Y. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame how we join the next bullish move. So let's check in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this move, after this black wave 1, market give us this brown wave W. Then we count the structure as a B and C, X. Again market give us this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C, as a wave Y of this black wave 2. So now if we want to join the bullish move, we need to wait for the first high above this 26,000, like at this point 26,000 the larger number. Market give us the first high above level, or we can count this move as a arrival. Arrival, a reaction as a sideways. Now we need to wait for the first high above level A, B and C towards the bullish side. Next point 27,200 and then 28,000 and then 30,000 step by step. So if we want to join the bullish move, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame step by step. At this point in lower time frame 15 minutes, if we want to go towards the 26,000, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 25. At this point market give us the arrival. Now we need to wait for reaction first high A, B and C in 5 minute or 15-minute time frame to go towards the 26,000. If this 26,000 give us the pattern, then we'll go towards the next point 27,200 step by step. So market may give us this move as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 as a first impulsive move towards the bullish side. Arrival, a reaction first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 27,200 with this wave B. Or in lower time frame we can join the move towards this point 26,000 with the classic trading level pattern at 25. 25 belongs to the medium number between 20 to 30. So let's check our next pair DAX in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So in DAX, market give us this move as a black wave 3, then as a black wave 4. Now after this black wave 4, we count the structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, brown wave 1, of black wave 1, brown wave 1 and brown wave 2. So now we are ready to go towards the bullish side. At this point, market give us the pattern number 3. Market not stop at 25,000. 25,000 belongs to the medium number, strong number. So let's check the pattern number 3. In pattern number 3, market not stop at the level, directly creates high. After this high, we need to wait for this correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Then we'll go towards the next bullish move with this wave B towards the bullish side, or we need to refine our entry this point to this point and this point to the inner wave B. To complete this pattern, like market creates first high above level A, B and C, next impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bullish side. So let's check the pattern at this point. That's also possible. This brown wave 2 still is in play as a wave A, wave B. Now market may give us this move as a wave C like this. Then market go towards the bullish side. So we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction to go towards the 26,000, then 27 and then 28 step by step. So if we want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for this correction to complete. Or if this correction already completed, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame. Like at this point, market give us the arrival reaction. Now we need to wait in lower time frame, first high A, B and C to go towards the 26,000. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this green wave 2, we count this structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, green wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Let's check the validation of this green wave 3. Okay, safe. So we count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now that's also possible. We count this correction as a wave A, then wave B at this point as A, B and C. If this is the case, then market will go towards the correction like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Then market go towards the bullish side. If this is the case, we need to wait for the next impulsive move after this correction A, B and C. Then we'll go towards the next point 26,000. Or if this correction completed at this point as a wave A, wave B and wave C. If this correction completed, we need to wait for the pattern in 1 hour time frame, classic trading level pattern, like market give us the arrival or first high above level. We can count this move as a pattern number 3. Market not stop at 25,000, directly creates high. So now we need to wait for this impulsive move and A, B and C to go towards the next point 26,000 with respect to 25,500 in lower time frame, because we don't know this correction still is in play or completed. So we already discussed that we can count this move as a wave A, wave B and wave C at this point. So if market give us the classic trading level pattern at 25, like first high above level, a reaction, then again market give us the impulsive move A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point. Let's check our next pair Nifty 50 in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So in Nifty 50, we count this structure after this brown wave 3 and wave 4 as a green wave 1, green wave 2, black wave 1 and black wave 2. Or we can count this whole structure as a wave 1 and wave 2. But now this count may safe because market not cross this start of wave 1. So we count the structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, black wave 1 and black wave 2. So let's check the possibility. So market touch this 26,500, give us the arrival, a reaction, first high above 11. So after this first high, now we are ready to go towards the bullish side with the correction like wave A, B and C as a that's possible market already completed this correction, or that's also possible market go like wave A, B, C or W, X and Y, then market go towards the bullish side towards 27,000, then 28,000 and then 30,000 step by step. So now market may complete its pattern number 1 like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. So let's check the possibility in lower time frame to go towards the bullish side. So in lower time frame, we count this structure as a black wave 1 and black wave 2. After this black wave 2, market give us the sharp impulsive move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. So now at this point, that's also possible. Market already completed its correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. If this is the case, market completed its wave 2. Then we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 26,000 to go towards the 26,500 in lower time frame. So at this point, if we want to go towards the 26,500, we need to wait for the pattern in lower time frame like market already give us the arrival at 26,000. Now we need to wait for a reaction, first high above level A, B and C to go towards the 26,500 at this point in lower time frame. Or that's possible market go like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 at 26,500. Again market will give us the pattern in lower time frame in 1 hour like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point step by step. So as of now, we are looking for the pattern to go towards the 26,500. Or that's also possible market go as a sideways like wave A, B and C, W. Then market may give us the pattern like A, B and C 20 towards 26,500. Then market go towards the wave Y and then go towards the bullish side. So first we need to wait for the pattern at 26,000 to go towards the 26,500. If this 26,500 give us a pattern in 1 hour time frame, then we will go towards the 27 and then 27,200 step by step. So in lower time frame, we are looking for this green wave 3. So let's check our next pair UKX in daily time frame. So in UKX, after this green wave 1 and 2, we count this structure as a brown wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5 above this 10,000. At this point, we are looking for the pattern number 3. Market not stop at the 11. Market directly creates high, not stop at 10,000, the larger number. So now we need to wait for this correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Then we will go towards the next point like market not stop at the level, directly creates high, give us the A, B and C reaction. Again we need to wait for the impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bullish side. So let's check the pattern number 3. In pattern number 3, market not stop at the level at the 10,000, directly creates high. After this high, we need to wait for this A, B and C as a correction. then market will give us the impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bullish side. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side, but we need to confirm the pattern and we need to refine our entry from this wave B to this high and this high to the inner wave B, like this, as a wave A, wave B and wave C. We can go directly with this wave B towards the bullish side, but we need to refine our entry like after this impulsive move A, B and C, then we will shift our entry point from this wave B to this wave B towards the next point 11,000. So let's check the possibility if this black wave 1 completed. That's also possible. This black wave 1 may still is in play towards the 10,500 or group 2, towards the group 2. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this last leg after this brown wave 3 and brown wave 4 as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 at this point or at this point. We can count differently. So let's check the possibility. If we count this move at this point, then we count the structure as a wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4 and 5 as ending diagonal. Or at this point, we can count this move as a impulsive move. Let's check the validation. Okay, safe. We can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as a simple impulsive move. So, if this black wave 1 completed, then we need to wait for the clear impulsive move like wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 and 5, like arrival at group 1. Group 1 belongs to 10, 100, 200 and 300. Reaction, first low below level A, B and C. Or we need to wait for the clear pattern at 10,000. But if market give us this move as a wave 1 and wave 2, then we need to wait for again. First we go towards the 10,000 with this wave B, and then again in lower time frame we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 10,000 to go towards the 9,000 as a B and C. So at this point we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at group 1 or at 10,000. If market give us the classic trading level pattern above this 10,500 at this point, if market give us the pattern like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C, then we will go towards the 1065 and then 1072 and then 1078 or towards the 11,000 step by step. So as of now, we are looking for the bearish move as a black wave 1 and then black wave 2. So let's check our next pair, JOW XJO Australian index in daily time frame. So we are looking for the correction as a wave A, B and C. Market give us this move as a black wave 1. We can count the structure in different ways as a leading diagonal or as a wave 1 and wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. But as of now, this structure more look like the clear impulsive move after this green wave 4 as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are looking for this correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. Or that's also possible, we count this structure as a sharp correction A, B and C. If this is the case, if we count this move as a black wave 2 at this point, then we need to wait for the pattern above this 9,000. If this 9,000 give us the classic trading level pattern above, then we'll go towards the next point 10,000 with respect to 95 medium number. So As of now, we are looking for this correction as a wave A, wave B and wave C. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 1, we count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A, wave B as a W, X and Y. Now market give us this move as a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now market may give us this move as A, B and C, then go towards the bearish side, towards the 86 and 865, then 85, the medium number between 8 to 9. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern below this 85 to go towards the deep correction, or in lower time frame we can go towards the 85 with respect to 872 at this point. We need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 872. If market give us the pattern above 9,000, then we will go towards the bullish side. So now we are looking for this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as a leading diagonal of this wave C. So let's check our last pair, DJI, Dow Jones in daily time frame. So we count the structure as a green wave 1, green wave 2, black wave 1, black wave 2, or we can count differently as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of as a green wave 1, green wave 2. Now we are looking for the 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So let's check the possibility. So at this point, market give us the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame at 48 or in 49 to go towards the 50,000. So now if we want to go towards the group 1 belongs to 51, 52, 53 and then medium number 55. If we want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for the pattern again in 50,000, classic trading level pattern. So we count the structure as a brown wave 1, brown wave 2, green wave 1, green wave 2. So now we need to wait for the pattern according to the green wave 3 in lower time frame. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 2, we count the structure as a brown wave 1 at this point, brown wave 2 at this point, or we can count this move as a brown wave 1 at this point and brown wave 2 at this point. We can count like, if we change the count like 1, 2, 3, 4 at this point and then 5 this point or at this point. We can count differently, but at this point market give us the pattern at 48, like arrival, a reaction, first high above level A, B and C. After this pattern, market go towards the 50,000. So back towards the original count, wave 1 and wave 2. After this 1 and 2, again market give us the pattern in lower time frame at 49.65 or 49.600, like arrival, reaction. So now at 50,000, we need to wait for the pattern like wave 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then again market will give us this move as a arrival or first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point, 51, 200, 50, sorry, 51 and then 52, step by step. So now we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern number 1 or pattern number 3 at 50,000. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So this is for now. We will meet again tomorrow with the stocks. Like, share and subscribe.